Welcome to the Oxygen Alliance YouTube channel, where we bring you videos of installation, maintenance, and various trainings on oxygen equipment and devices. If you have comments and or questions, drop them in the comment section below or write to us info@oxygenalliance.org. Remember to like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.
Hello and welcome to Oxygen Alliance YouTube channel. My name is Janet Jalera, a biomedical engineer working with OpenO2, and today we will go through a teardown of an oxygen flow splitter. So an oxygen flow splitter is a device that is used to distribute oxygen from a single flow source to multiple flow oxygen outlets. So basically, an oxygen flow splitter has got three external parts. Firstly, it has the oxygen inlet port, which is located right here. And then it may have 5 and some may even have 4 flow meters. So the flow meters are graduated in liters per minute, and they have a maximum flow of 2 liters per minute. And as you can see, each and every flow meter has its own oxygen outlet port. Now I will take you through the internal parts of the flow splitter. And to do that, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. So as you can see, the flow splitter has an oxygen inlet port over here, which is connected directly to the flow manifold. So from the flow manifold, you have 5 different pipes that are leading to each of the flow meters. When the air enters from the manifold through, for example, for this flow meter, it will enter through this tube. The air will pass through the flow meter and get out through this tube and exit through the exit port at the bottom. So each flow meter has its own adjustment knob. As you can see, and as I explained, that the flow meters are graduated in liters per minute, and each flow meter is having a maximum flow of 2 liters per minute. So the set flow rate on your oxygen concentrator has to be equal to the cumulative flow that has been set on your flow splitter plus 1. So that means that your flow rate at your source has to be higher than the cumulative flow at your splitters. If your source has a set flow rate of 5 liters per minute, that means the cumulative flow on your flow splitter has to be 4 liters per minute, which you can divide according to the number of patients that you have. So first we're going to look at leakages. So if you have a leakage within your system, it could cause either no air to come out or less air to come out. So you may have leakages due to a broken flow meter or due to a broken tubing. So if you have a tube that is broken or either disconnected, it can cause a leakage, which will either cause a total obstruction or a partial obstruction to your airflow. So another problem you may have would be a stuck flow meter bore. So it could happen that as you're adjusting your flow rate, the bore is not rising, and this could be caused by either water or dust that may have accumulated at the base of the bore, causing it to be stuck. And to deal with that problem, you have to clean your flow meter. And lastly, the other problem you may have is a blockage, which may also obstruct partially or fully the flow of air in the system. And this blockage may be caused by either insect nests or dust. So to clean the flow meter, first you're going to have to remove it. And to remove it, you're going to need a size 14mm spanner. So first you have to remove the tubings. And then so once you have removed your flow meter, you can check if it has any cracks. So for this flow meter, it is okay. So the next thing is to check the integrity of the O-ring. So you have 3 O-rings on each flow meter. There's one here, here, and here. So first you unscrew and then you check the integrity of the O-ring. So as you can see, the O-ring here is okay. So I'm going to put it back. And on this side as well, the O-ring is intact and is not damaged. Lastly, you also have to check the O-ring at the knob. So to do that, first you have to remove the knob. And that is the O-ring that you have at this junction. So the purpose of checking the O-rings is to just make sure that they are not damaged, because a damaged O-ring can cause leakages within your system. So next, I will show you how to clean the flow meter. So to clean it, we have to remove this screw that we have. So to remove it, I'm going to use a T25. So to fully access the inside, I'm going to have to unscrew this again. And then take out the ball. So to clean the inside, we're going to need a piece of gauze wrapped around a wire. And then you can simply just insert it inside to thoroughly clean it and take it out. And you can do that several times if you can see that it is not fully cleaned. Then I will put back the ball. Now I'm going to put everything back together. So we have everything in place. And then I'm going to replace the tubings. So you have to be careful to put the tubings in the proper position. So this exit tube goes to the top of the flow meter, and the intake tube, which is coming from the manifold, goes to the intake hole. That is all we had for you today. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.